Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the 9 secret ways to make him worry about losing you. Relationships can be amazing, but they also require effort and understanding. These 9 secrets are all about shifting the energy, focusing on yourself, and creating a dynamic where he can't help but see you as the incredible woman you are. If you want to keep him on his toes and make sure he knows just how valuable you are, stay tuned. Ladies, let's talk about being his peace. Have you ever noticed how men gravitate towards women who radiate calmness and positivity? It's about cultivating an inner peace that becomes your superpower. When you're at peace with yourself, you bring a sense of tranquility to the relationship. He feels safe and secure with you because your energy is grounded and drama-free. Think about it. Who wants to come home to chaos every day? Now, I understand that life can be stressful, and we all have our moments. But the key is to develop healthy coping mechanisms. Find what helps you de-stress, whether it's meditation, yoga, or simply taking some time for yourself. If you're struggling with deeper emotional issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Counseling can provide you with the tools and support you need to create inner peace. When you're at peace, you approach challenges with a level head. You don't sweat the small stuff, and you're more likely to communicate effectively. This creates a positive feedback loop where your calm demeanor encourages him to be more open and understanding as well. By choosing peace, you create an environment where love and connection can thrive. Words have incredible power. They can build someone up or tear them down. In a relationship, it's crucial to use your words to speak love, encouragement, and positivity into your man. Think about it. How do you feel when someone constantly criticizes or belittles you? It's draining, right? Now imagine the opposite, being surrounded by words of affirmation, appreciation, and support. It's like sunshine for the soul. When you consistently speak love into your man, you're nourishing his spirit and strengthening the bond between you. He feels seen, valued, and appreciated for who he is. This creates a positive cycle where he's more likely to reciprocate with love and kindness. Take a moment to reflect on your communication patterns. Do you find yourself focusing on the negative more often than the positive? It's easy to fall into this trap, especially when life gets busy. Make a conscious effort to shift your language. Instead of pointing out his flaws, acknowledge his strengths. Express your gratitude for the things he does, big or small. Let him know how much he means to you. When you radiate love and positivity, you become a magnet for his affection. He'll be drawn to your warmth and light, making him worry about losing the incredible woman who brings so much joy into his life. We all have different ways of feeling loved and appreciated. What makes one person feel cherished might not have the same effect on another. This is where understanding your partner's love language comes in. His love language is essentially the way he best receives love. It could be through acts of service, words of affirmation, quality time, physical touch, or receiving gifts. The key is to figure out what speaks to his heart the most. Don't assume you know. Have an open and honest conversation about it. Ask him how he feels most loved and what makes him feel truly appreciated. Pay attention to how he expresses his love for you, as this can offer valuable clues. Once you understand his love language, make a conscious effort to incorporate it into your daily interactions. When you show him that you truly understand and value his needs, it creates a deep sense of connection and makes him realize just how much he'd miss you if you were gone. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, it's about making an effort to love him in the way that resonates with him the most. Ladies, this one is crucial. You can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally, is not selfish. It's essential for a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Think about it. When you're feeling run down, stressed, and depleted, do you bring your best self to your relationship? Probably not. You're more likely to be irritable, short-tempered, and emotionally unavailable. Now imagine the opposite. You're well-rested, energized, and feeling confident in your own skin. You radiate positivity, you're more patient and understanding, and you have the emotional capacity to be fully present with your partner. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about prioritizing your well-being so you can show up as the best version of yourself in all areas of your life, including your relationship. Start by focusing on the basics. Get enough sleep, nourish your body with healthy foods, and stay hydrated. These simple habits can have a profound impact on your mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. When you prioritize yourself, you become a magnet for love and happiness, making him appreciate and value you even more. Incorporate activities that bring you joy and reduce stress, whether it's exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or pursuing a hobby you're passionate about. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, but it's not just about talking, it's about truly listening and being transparent with each other. When your partner is talking, put your phone down, make eye contact, and give him your undivided attention. Resist the urge to interrupt or offer solutions unless he specifically asks for them. Sometimes, all he needs is to feel heard and understood. Transparency is about being open and honest about your thoughts, feelings, and needs. It's about creating a safe space where you can both be vulnerable without fear of judgment. Now, transparency doesn't mean dumping all your emotional baggage on him or starting unnecessary drama. It's about communicating in a way that is respectful, considerate, and solution-oriented. If something is bothering you, address it directly, but calmly. Use I statements to express your feelings without blaming or accusing him. When you communicate effectively and create an environment of trust and transparency, it strengthens the bond between you and makes him feel safe and secure in the relationship. One of the most attractive qualities a woman can have is a strong sense of self and a life filled with passion and purpose. It's about having interests, hobbies, and goals that are entirely your own, independent of your relationship. Now, this doesn't mean neglecting your partner or spending all your time away from him. It's about finding a healthy balance between togetherness and individuality. Think about it. When you're constantly relying on your partner for your happiness and fulfillment, it can create a sense of pressure and suffocation in the relationship. On the other hand, when you have your own passions and pursuits, it adds a spark of excitement and intrigue. He sees that you're not dependent on him for your happiness. You're choosing to share your life with him. This makes him appreciate you even more and worry about losing the amazing woman you are. So, pursue your passions, explore new interests, and connect with your own sense of purpose. This will not only make you more attractive to him, but also enrich your life as an individual. A healthy relationship is a partnership, a team effort where both individuals contribute their unique strengths and support each other's weaknesses. It's about finding a balance where both partners feel valued, respected, and fulfilled. Think of it like a dance. There's a natural ebb and flow, a give and take that keeps things in harmony. When one person is always giving and the other is always taking, it creates an imbalance that can lead to resentment and frustration. Communication is key here. Talk to each other about your needs and expectations. How can you support each other in a way that feels balanced and fair? Remember, it's not about keeping score or demanding absolute equality in every single aspect of the relationship. It's about creating a dynamic where both partners feel appreciated and valued for their contributions. When you have a balanced relationship, it creates a sense of stability and security that makes him want to hold on tight. Now, this might sound a little controversial, but hear me out. Every action has a consequence, whether positive or negative. And in a relationship, it's essential to establish healthy boundaries and consequences to maintain respect and accountability. This isn't about being manipulative or playing games. It's about setting clear expectations and letting him know that his actions have an impact on you and the relationship. If he consistently disrespects you, betrays your trust, or takes you for granted, there need to be consequences. This could be anything from a serious conversation to a temporary separation. On the other hand, when he steps up, makes an effort, and shows you that he values you, acknowledge and reward those behaviors. This could be anything from expressing your appreciation to planning a special date night. The key is to be consistent with your words and actions. When he knows that you're serious about your boundaries and expectations, it shows him that you're not afraid to walk away if he doesn't meet them. This doesn't mean playing hard to get. It means having self-respect and demanding the same level of respect from him. This is the ultimate secret, ladies, and it's not for the faint of heart. To truly make him worry about losing you, you need to be willing to walk away if he's not giving you what you deserve. This doesn't mean issuing ultimatums or threatening to leave every time you have an argument. It's about having enough self-respect and knowing your worth to walk away from a situation that no longer serves you. If you've communicated your needs, set clear boundaries, and he's still not meeting you halfway, it might be time to reconsider the relationship. Staying in a situation where you're constantly compromising your happiness and self-worth will only lead to resentment and heartbreak. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who cherishes you, respects you, and makes you feel loved and appreciated. Don't settle for anything less. When you embody this level of self-love and confidence, it's incredibly attractive. He sees that you're not afraid to walk away from something that's not right for you, and that makes him want to step up his game and prove that he's worthy of your love. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Remember, you are a high-value woman who deserves to be with someone who recognizes your worth and treats you accordingly. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more relationship advice. See you next time.